I want to be honest from the start. Most people do not wake up feeling spiritual. Most people wake up tired. They check their phone. They rush their day. They forget Allah without meaning to. There is a guy who knows he should pray. He does not hate salah. He just keeps delaying it. He always says later. Later turns into night. Night turns into regret. He is not evil. He is not careless on purpose. He is just overwhelmed. School work pressure, money, family expectations. Everything feels heavy at once. When he hears Islamic reminders, he agrees with them. But inside, he thinks, I am not like that. He thinks change is for better people. He thinks he already failed too much. This is where most people stop trying, not because they do not believe, but because they feel ashamed. They think Allah is disappointed in them. But let us slow down and think clearly. Who told you Allah only accepts perfect people? Who told you you must fix everything first? That idea did not come from Allah. If Allah wanted perfection, He would not create humans. He would create angels only. You were created to struggle. You were created to fall and stand again. That same guy once made a small decision. He did not promise a new life. He did not make a big speech. He just decided to pray one salah properly. He chose the easiest one for him. He did not feel peace immediately. Nothing magical happened, but he felt one thing. He felt relief. That relief was not happiness. It was not excitement. It was the feeling of being safe, like returning home after being lost. The next day he missed salah again. He felt bad again, but something was different. He did not give up completely. He remembered that one prayer, so he tried again, slowly, not perfectly. This is how real change happens, not with motivation, not with emotional videos, but with quiet decisions no one sees. Allah does not expect you to transform overnight. Allah expects honesty. Honesty and effort. Honesty and repentance. You think Allah is far because you are struggling. But Allah is closest during struggle. Ease does not bring people closer. Need does. Your dua does not need beautiful words. Allah does not grade grammar. Speak like you actually feel, even if it sounds messy. Some days you will feel connected. Some days you will feel empty. That does not mean that your iman is gone. It means you are human. Do not compare your inside to someone else outside. You do not know their battles. Allah chose your journey specifically for you. Right now, Allah is giving you time to return, time to grow, time to learn. Do not wait to become better to turn to Allah. Turn to Allah, and you will become better. Even one step toward Allah matters. Even one sincere prayer matters. Even one quiet dua matters. Start where you are, with what you have. Allah will handle the rest.